Hello friends, welcome to Infotech Solution. Today, we will discuss how to generate a 3D AI wing name image using Microsoft Bing AI. It adds a cool and realistic touch with AI-generated images to your posts and making them more eye-catching. So, let's dive in. Before anything else, open the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Bing and hit the search icon. In the search results, open Bing app official page. And after that, install the Bing application. I have already installed it, so now I will open it. Make sure you are logged in with your Microsoft ID. If you haven't logged in, click on the pop-up on the left side to create an image. Here we need to add a prompt to generate AI image. So I already have written a prompt. I'm going to copy it, paste it into the prompt box, and then click Create. If you don't know how to write a perfect prompt to create an AI wing name image, you can find a prompt in the video description. After a bit, your 3D AI images will be ready. You can choose an image that you like, or regenerate again. That's how simple it is to generate a 3D AI wing name image for free. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more tech informational videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.